Good morning, my dear students. Have a nice day. Standard 3rd, myself, Miss Alima Sheikh, your English teacher. So students, today I am going to give you the notes of chapter number 5, the story of Sindbad the sailor. So students, I request to everyone to open your command book number 1. In that, you have to open the page number 11. Students, जैसे कि आप जानते हो, पिछले लेक्चर में मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था चैप्टर नंबर 5, द स्टोरी ऑफ सिंदबाद द सेलर, और आज मैं आपको उस लेसन के नोट्स दूंगी. स्टूडेंट्स, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि सारे बच्चों अपनी कमांड बुक ओपन करेंगे. उसमें पेज नंबर 11 आपको ओपन करना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द नोट्स. So students, chapter number 5, the story of Sindbad the sailor. Now I am going to give you the notes. Students, the pic which is flash on your mobile phone is the page number 11. Students, the page number 11, the very first question, if you observe, it is omit. Got it, students? Question number 2, that part is also omit. So chapter number 5, the story of Sindbad the sailor, in your command book page number 11, the question number 1 and 2, both the questions are omitted. Okay, now move to the next. So now students, directly come to the question number 3. Make new words from the words given below. For example, small, and the answer is small. Right, students? Make a new words given below. For example, small, so the answer is small. Now students, A1, scream, the answer is scream. B1, effort, the answer is fort. C1, grooms, the answer is rooms. D1, afloat, the answer is float. E1, alive, the answer is life. F1, valuable, the answer is able. So students, you have to complete this notes now only. Okay. Now move to the next question. So students, the next question is, give opposites of the following words. So here students, the very first one, it's a happy, and the answer is unhappy. B1, deep, the answer is shallow. C1, night, the answer is day. D1, arrived, the answer is departed. E1, believe, the answer is disbelief. F1, valuable, the answer is cheap. Students, again I am repeating the opposite words. You have to complete now only. Okay. So here, the very first one, it's a happy. The answer is unhappy. B1, deep. The answer is shallow. C1 night. The answer is day. D1 arrived. The answer is departed. E1 believe. The answer is disbelieve. And the F1 is the last one, valuable. The answer is cheap. So students, we had completed the question number 4 also. Now move to the next question. So now students, question number 5, fill in the blanks. In that students, the very first one, dash set sail with a company of merchants on a big ship. So the answer is Sindbad. Students, again I am repeating the A1, dash set sail with a company of merchants on a big ship, and the answer is Sindbad. The spelling of Sindbad is Sindbad. Sindbad. Students, this fill in the blanks, it is in the page number 12 of your combined book number 1. Got it students? Now move to the next. So here the B1, the captain ordered his men to set sail immediately in order to move away from the monster. So here the answer is monster. Students, the spelling of monster is M-O-N-S-T-E-R. So here the answer is monster. Students, again I am repeating. Question number 5, fill in the blanks. It is already there in your combined book. Page number 12. Got it students? Anyhow, you have to complete now only. Understood students? Now, move to the next page. So here page number 13. So students, in the page number 13 on the top, if you observe, there is the C1, fill in the blanks. The C1 means the third one, fill in the blanks. The dash saw Sindbad and gave him food and drink. So the answer is grooms. Students, what is the meaning of grooms? A person who take care of the horses, as I had explained you in the lesson. Right students? So students, the answer is grooms, and the spelling of grooms is G-R-O-O-M-S. So students, we had completed the question number 5. Fill in the blanks. Right? Now move to the next question. So students, here the question number 1. Give meaning of the following. In that, the very first one, A1, it's a merchandise. And the answer is good or things for sale. Students, again I am repeating. So here the A1, merchandise. And the answer is good or things for sale. Now students, the B1. The B1 question is trade. And the meaning of trade is give in return for something, sell. Students, while writing the answer, just read and write. Don't write simply. Got it students? जब भी आप आंसर लिखोगे स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पढ़कर लिखना है, सिंपली लिखना नहीं है. Got it? Now the C1. So here, now the C1 strolled, and the answer is walked here and there without hurrying. Right students? Now the D1 sprang up, and the answer is developed or began to blow suddenly. Students, again I am repeating the meaning part. A1 merchandise. The answer is good or things for sale. B1 trade. The answer is give in return for something sell. C1 strolled. The answer is walked here and there without hurrying. D1 sprang up? And the answer is developed for began to blow suddenly. Now students, let us move to the next one. It's a E1. So students, now the E1, it's a blaze and the answer is burn strongly. Next one, it's a F, afloat. Afloat means floating. Now students, the G1, all the strength that he could muster. So it means that all the strength that he could use at that time. Students, again I am repeating the meaning part. Students, while writing each and every word, just read and write. Okay? So here the E1, blaze, burn strongly. F1, afloat. The answer is floating. G1, all the strength that he could muster. So the answer is all the strength that he could use at that time. Got it students? This is the meaning part of page number 13 in your combined book number 1. Now students, move to the next one. So as you can see in this picture, now here the H1, inland. What is the meaning of inland? Yes, towards an area of a land away from the sea shore. Now students, the G1. The G1, it's a grooms. Person who take care of horses. Right students? And the J1 is the G1, quay. A platform in a port where boats comes to load or unload their luggage. And the K1 is cargo. Load of goods or things carried in a ship. Students, again I am repeating the meaning part. So here the H1, inland, towards an area of land away from the seashore. G1, it's a grooms, person who take care of horses. J1, cube, a platform in a port where boats come to load or unload their luggage. K1, cargo, load of goods or things carried in a ship. So students, I hope everyone has completed till the K1. So students, question number 1, give meanings of the following is completed. Okay students, now move to the next question. So here the next question is, so now students, the next question is, write at least 1 or 2 lines about the following with the help of the story. Students, again I am repeating the question number 2. Write at least 1 or 2 lines about the following with the help of the story. So student, this question, it is there in your combined book number 1, page number 13. Question number 2. Now here students, the very first one, it's a Sindbad, and the answer is, Sindbad was famous sailor who lived in Baghdad. He was honest, generous and brave. Students, again I am repeating the second one. Question number 2. Write at least 1 or 2 lines about the following with the help of the story. So here in that, the very first one means the A1. It's a Sindbad. The answer is Sindbad was famous sailor who lived in Baghdad. He was honest, generous and brave. Now students, move to the second one. So students, here the B1 is the sea monster. Now we have to write any two sentences regarding the sea monster. So now students, the B1, the sea monster, and the sentence is the sea monster was very huge. It shocked its huge body and drowned many people. Now students, the C1, the king of the island. So the answer is, he was impressed with Sindbad's story. He was kind and generous. Students, again I am repeating the B1, the sea monster, and the answer is, the sea monster was very huge. It shocked its huge body and drowned many people. Now students, the C1, the king of the island, and the answer is, he was impressed with Sindbad's story. He was kind and generous. So students, we had completed the question number 2 also. Now students, move to the next question. So here the question number 3. Use the letters in the following words to make new and meaningful words. At least 5 you have to write, but students, if you observe, I have written only 4, right? In the question it is written that at least you have to write 5, but you can write the 4 also. Means we have to make a small words, right students? For example, island. The short words made from islands are is, in, land, and sand. Now students, the very first one, A1, it's a merchandise. And from the merchandise we are going to make a short words, means a new words, or you can say a small words. So from the merchandise I had made A and D ant, H and D hand, R A D red, and the last one is man. Students, the B1, it's a immediately, and short words from immediately are ATE it, ME me, ITALY Italy, and the last one it's a late, LATE late. Now students, the C1, exhausted. So I had made a small words are HS has, TAX tax, DUST dust, and the last one it's a hat, HAT hat. Now students, the D1, it's a valuable. From the valuable we had made the short words are ABLE able, LABLE label, BLUE blue, and the last one is ALL all. Now students, the very last one means the fifth one, generous. So the small words are SUN sun, RUN run, GREEN green, SOUR sour. So students, we had completed the question number 3. Use the letters in the following words to make a new and meaningful words. Right students? Students, now only you have to complete the notes which I am giving you now. Got it students? Okay. Now students, we had completed the page number 13 also. Right? Now students, move the page. Means you can turn the page. So here the page number 14. In that also, students, on the top if you see the B1 immediately, it is there in this page, right? Immediately, C1 exhausted, D1 valuable, and the E1 is generous, right? So you have to complete now only. Now students, move to the next question. So here the next question is, who said the following to whom? In that, A1, please accept this, your majesty. Students, question number 4, who said the following to whom means किसने किससे कहा. So here in that, the very first one, please accept this, your majesty. This sentence is said by Sindbad said to the king of the island. So here this sentence is said by the Sindbad. To whom he has said? He has said to the king. So the answer is Sindbad said to the king of the island. So students, we had completed the question number 4 also. Got it, students? Now move to the last question. Right? So here the question number 5. So now students, the 5th question, make meaningful sentences with the help of the words given below. So here, very first one, A1, it's a valuable, and the answer is our moral character is more valuable than gold and silver. Now students, the B1, generous. So the answer is King Harshavardhan was a generous man. C1, it's a captain. So the sentence, Ruby is the captain of our football team. D1, fantastic. Radha has a fantastic dream last night. So students, we had completed the notes of chapter number 5, Sindbad the Sailor. Right, students? Students, you have to complete the notes today by 5 p.m. Got it? After completing the notes, you can send the pic of the homework part to me. Okay, students? So students, if you have any doubt regarding the notes, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.